Hello everyone, this is Ann Olson and I wanted to talk about the week 2 assignment regarding Anne Bradstreet and Iambic pentameter. Whenever we're talking about scansion of poetry, it's just way better to hear a voice and hear it than it is to try to figure it out on paper or on the screen. So let's look at the assignment, and I've listed these terms. I'm going to just stress heroic couplet and iambic pentameter today. The rest I think you'll be fine with. Let's go to the forums and see your assignment for Anne Bradstreet. We're going to be talking about week 2B, rhyme and meter. And this form's a little different. You should choose 1, 2, or 3 and write about by Thursday. And then everyone should complete number 4. Now for number 4, let me just go ahead and read it. When reading the above out loud, put the stress or emphasis on the words in bold. Notice there are 5 sections or feet per line, and the second sound in each section is stressed or in bold. Some people say accented. That stressing and those 5 feet, that's iambic pentameter. Select 2 lines from any Bradstreet poem, type or copy paste them into this form, and then mark them with slashes and bolding to show that you understand iambic pentameter. Add any comments or questions you have. So let's just look, for example, at these 4 lines in number 3. And I'll read them, trying not to overemphasize the bolding, but you get the sense that it is actually the pattern of English speech. I stretched thy joints to make thee even feet, yet still thou run'st more hobbling than is meet. In better dress to trim thee was my mind, but naught save homespun cloth in the house I find. So you see each line has 5 feet divided by the slash. I stretched thy joints to make the even feet. And the second syllable in each of the feet or sections is in bold face. And that's, if you hear it, that's what you hear receives the stress or emphasis. So all you have to do for your assignment is find any 2 lines of your own from any Bradstreet poem, type it out like this, just copy this format. Use the spacing and the dashes to divide the 5 meters, and use bolding to show the stress of the iambic pentameter. And please email or call me if you have any questions. This is a hard trick to master. And but every English major should at least be exposed to this and know that this sort of technique, this level of detail is in the poet's mind every time he or she writes a poem. And then we'll get later on, we'll talk about free verse when people like Whitman abandon all of this, and people like Emily Dickinson create a little revolution by making up her own rules. So it's important to have this basis for now. Give me a call or email if you have any troubles with this.